Welcome to another unboxing video. Today I'm going to be unboxing this new Toshiba laptop. Sounds embarrassing, I can't remember the exact model number. Satellite Pro R60 B122. It's got a Core i3 processor, 8GB of RAM and a terabyte hard drive. Laptop's coming in at a good price, so very good value for the money. So let's unbox it and see what we got. So the laptop unboxes this way. Nice economical packaging, very slim box, nice and light, doesn't require a lot of room to store. So you got Toshiba Quick Start user manual, just basically like all the basic information really on the laptop. So let's open this up and have a look. Instruction manual for safety, comfort and limited warranty. So you always want to check up on your limited warranty, see what it covers. Now the charger is packed away in the side here very neatly. Very small power adapter on this one. I shouldn't think it'd be requiring a lot of power. 2.37 amps, 19 volts. So it's quite energy efficient, this laptop. You can tell that straight away by the size of the power adapter. So don't let that fool you though, because a lot of people think energy efficiency means lack of power. Yes and no. Depends how you look at it. The processors tend to perform a little bit less, but you save much more. It works out much more efficient. Yeah, basically. So this is the laptop itself. So Toshiba is still using their plastic casing with the corrugated lines. They've been doing this for a while now on some of their laptops. It has a nice finish on it. It's very grippy. You can hold it like that without feeling like you're going to drop it, because, well, the corrugated finish helps it grip a lot better. Just going to move the box out of the way, and we'll get to the laptop now. So let's open the lid up, and straight away it's nice. It feels comfortable to use. It's nice and it's got a bit of weight to it. A lot of people like laptops that don't have much weight to them. I'm the opposite. The slimmer and heavier the laptop, the better it feels. So on the side you've got your USB port. Just check so that's USB 3. Don't think that is. I think that's a USB 2 port. Yeah, USB 2, that one. You got your headphone out. The laptops these days don't ship with a microphone in. Now I'm pretty sure the software will allow you to configure that to do that job though. You've got your Ethernet in as well, which will be gigabit on this model. Very nice sturdy designed keyboard. Some people have a different name for this type of design, chiclet, island, whatever you want to call it. Feels nice to type. You haven't got much movement between the keys on this model in particular, but feels nice nevertheless. Got your power button up here, nice place to put it. It's got quite a bit of movement in that, so it's going to be hard to accidentally turn the laptop on and off. Up here we've got your webcam and microphone, ideal for Skype. Numeric keypad, ideal if you're doing a lot of accounting work or you work with numbers where you're typing a lot of numbers. And on the front, got your SD card slot there, so you can pull all your photos off your camera without having issues with adapters dangling from the USBs. Now on the other side of the laptop, let's check out what we have here. So we got two USB 3 ports. They are standard blue, so you can tell between the two of them. And the other one, black, usually means it's USB 2, blue is USB 3, but some laptops are now doing black USB 3 ports. The way to tell the difference, if you don't know this already, is if you tilt the laptop up, you can see the extra 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pins at the end there that just make up for the extra data, and then the pins back there as well. So you got HDMI output for your TV, VGA port, and don't forget the all-important charging port. So you got your CPU fan outlet there. Doesn't really expand too much underneath there. Overall, it's a very slim, very tidy laptop. On this laptop, the battery is removable from the exterior. Don't have to go taking it apart. However, the RAM on this laptop, you'll have to take the whole laptop apart to access it, and this may void your warranty. So just to simplify things and avoid losing your warranty, if you want the extra RAM model, which this one is, pay the extra, well, can't say pay the extra money, because for the same price there was a 4 gig 500 gig version, so might not be the same where you're buying your laptop from, but where I got this from, the 4 gig 500 gig model was the same price as the 8 gig 1 terabyte model. So what are you going to go for? It's a no-brainer. You go for the one with the extra space, the extra RAM. So that's the bottom. Lots of screw holes. There's your screw for your optical drive, so you remove that if you want to swap out for a Blu-ray drive or whatever you want in there. Some details on MAC addresses on there for your wireless adapters, part numbers, etc, etc. No Windows 8 logo. No Windows 8 logo to tell you that it's Windows 8. So we've got the laptop firing up now. The screen on this is a standard HD, not full HD, a 1366 by 768. Nice resolution to run Windows 8.1 at. Whilst that's booting, anything else. The 2 stickers there to remind you that you are running a Core i3 processor and it's energy certified. And also to remind you, you're using a Toshiba laptop, just in case you forget. You never know. Just one quick note on these laptops, almost forgot as well. The F5 key, which is a refresh key, is the same key as the key that turns your touchpad off. Now, working in a computer shop, we see all sorts of novice users that aren't sure what the shortcuts mean, or aren't even sure what that icon means. And they've gone to refresh a page, and the touchpad has stopped working. And we see a lot of the laptops coming back to us where the customer's saying the touchpad has stopped working, it's failed. It's not. Just try holding the FN key down and F5, or just F5. Try that. Usually gets the touchpads working in no time. So we're just going to run through the setup there. And we'll be back once it's all done. So now we've got the laptop running. It's running Windows 8.1. And with Toshiba, I'm just going to check this. They tend to install a lot of what we call bloatware, and we're just going to find out. Publisher. So yeah, you got all of these Toshiba junk apps that nobody ever actually uses, that run in the background. So once you've got the laptop fired up, you want to first go through all of them. Remove anything that isn't a driver. You get McAfee Live Safe Internet Security. Get that off of there. Don't go anywhere near that. It's expensive and it's useless. Other than that, free trial of Microsoft Office, which is useful. Spotify. A lot of people use Spotify. All the applications like that are used on there because Toshiba get a commission for each one that you sign up to. And that's why they fill them up with crap when you get them out of the box. So, other than that, your McAfee Central there, which is just like a full screen McAfee thing, basically. Not actually used it. The first thing I do with these is install it. So let's have a look, see what McAfee Central does. Here's a quick tour of your McAfee Central app. I just want to get using it. So it's basically a full screen version of McAfee. So for those who have touchscreen, there's a full touchscreen interface available for you. Other than that, not really much else to show you. Specifications. We go to system. 1 second. So the specifications are there. Intel Core i3 4005U CPU, 1.7 GHz, 8 GB of RAM, etc., etc. And charging. Doesn't say the battery life down there. Other than that, that's it firing up. It is a nice quick laptop. It works nice and fast. Got 1000 GB or a terabyte of hard drive space on there, some of which will be used up for recovery partition, so 920 of it is usable. It's all there, all up and running. If this video has helped you in deciding whether you want to buy this laptop, thumbs me up. Personally, myself, I'd recommend Toshiba laptops, but only the ones that feature the Intel Core processors. Anything lower than that with Toshiba tends to come with quite poor build quality. But with the Core i3, i5 and i7 series processors in their laptops, they tend to actually do a better job on the build quality. So don't forget to rate and subscribe.